Imagine you're driving down the road and you get a text message. You know you shouldn't look, but you do. Then why not text back? It will only take a minute. So, why not? On my way. Well, that was easy. But wait, they just sent a reply back. Well, I'll just look at it. It worked well the last couple texts I sent. Let me look and see what they said. Bam! All of a sudden you look up. You heard a loud noise. Your windshield's cracked. You look in your rearview mirror, and oh my God. Is that a person laying in the road? Did I just hit someone? Crossing the street at a pedestrian crosswalk, and I ran right into them. The authorities are going to check my phone records. They're going to know I was texting at the time the person was hit. What now? Yes, it's confirmed. I was texting. Now I'm facing manslaughter. Not only do I have to live with the fact that I took somebody's life, now mine is over too. How do I overcome this? Will I ever be able to? Did you know that according to the Center of Disease Control, by the time you go to bed tonight, another 8 people will have died from distracted driving? Texting and driving isn't the only form of distracted driving, but it is one of the top. And I'm hoping after today, even if just one person stops before picking up their phone when they're in a car, then I made a difference. Now, I know that in our modern society as a whole, we are addicted to cell phones. I know I can be at times. My cell phone's going off right now. I can hear it vibrating. There's just a time to know when to look and a time when you don't. In a recent study performed by Georgia State, 70% of people cannot go without their phones for 24 hours. Wow, what a statistic. 24 hours is not that long. On top of that, approximately 40% of teens admit to texting and driving, and most of them in the last 30 days. These are all between the ages of 17 and 22. At 17, you've only been driving a year. That's not very long. I'm 35 and barely have perfect driving skills, and I've been driving for twice as long as somebody at the age of 17. It's scary. On top of all that information I just gave you, let's top off some numbers. Can you wrap your head around the fact that 18% of all fatal crashes are caused by texting? In just 2018 alone, 2,800 people were killed and another 400,000 injured. Wow. That could very easily be somebody I love, you love, if not yourself. Now, before you put all the blame on yourself, even though you know you can do better, we as a community need to think twice before we even send out text messages to people. Now, I know my friend is on her way to my house. Do I have to text her when she's on her way here? No. I know my boyfriend just left my house. Do I need to text him to tell him something? No, I know he's driving. I can't wait to tell my mom the progress that my kids are making in school, but she doesn't get off work until 5. Am I going to text her right at 5:05 when I know she's driving home? No, I can wait till 6 when I know she's home safe. Now, these might not be the solution to the problem that we're facing, but at least you know that you're doing your part by avoiding texting somebody you know is on the road. So, is there a solution to texting and driving? Obviously not. A lot of options that we can easily enforce. Sure, you can get tickets, even fines. But does this stop the problem that we're really facing? No. But again, every little bit helps. Maybe someone could hook their phone to their car's Bluetooth. That might help you. Instead of being on your phone, go through that. If you don't have Bluetooth, why don't you try putting your phone in your purse or put it in the back seat, somewhere where you may not be tempted to grab it. I believe most phones have a default text you can set up. Driving, call you back later. So the minute somebody calls or texts you, they'll automatically get a message that says, I'm busy, call you back. I'm going to end this on a personal note. Not only when you text and drive are you endangering yourself and your loved ones, but you're putting my life in risk and the lives of the ones I love. So please, if you don't mean enough to yourself to stay off your phone, do it for me. I want to live and I want to watch my kids live. Long and happy lives for everybody. We should all be happy with that. Please help slow down accidents caused by texting and driving and keep your phones away from you. Thank you.